Hi guys, this is Narendra from Simuleduco Solutions. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about an amazing tool. So as everyone saw a thumbnail, so we are going to build a website in less than 5 minutes. So how is it possible? So of course it is possible with AI. So you don't need to spend hours of time coding and all. No, you don't need to spend that, and you don't need to spend thousands of rupees hiring a people for building your website. So you can just do it in less than 5 minutes, and I'll show it how. Without wasting time, let's dive into our amazing tool. So just open your browser and you can just search for bold.new, and this is the AI tool that we are going to use to create our stunning websites. Okay, so this is a basically bold.new is a website where you can give a prompt and it will generate you amazing stunning website. Okay, and okay, that is fine. We can give a prompt and it will generate an amazing website. That is completely fine. But what about prompt? So that for that also you don't need to worry. You can just use ChatGPT. So just open ChatGPT. Okay, now you can just ask for a prompt. So you don't need to do a prompt engineering course and all to ask a prompt for ChatGPT and all. Okay, you can just in your normal, just a casual English also you can ask. Okay, just type generate me a prompt to create a stunning website. Okay, so what type of websites we create? Okay, let's do a portfolio website. Okay, so that will be very good for students and working professionals. So let's do a portfolio website. Okay, generate me a prompt to create a stunning portfolio website where we can showcase skills, projects, certifications. So these are all the constraints that we are giving to ChatGPT for generating the prompt. So skills, projects, certifications, and what all achievements. And also you can tell ChatGPT to include animations also in the prompt. You can just do it and include animations and vibrant colors to attract users or to attract people. You can use anything. So ChatGPT will just understand whatever it is to attract people. Okay. So make sure the website is responsive. So you can just give some prompt like this and just click on enter, and it will generate your prompt. Okay. So it will give a prompt. It started generating a prompt. That's it. So you just need to copy the prompt. Okay, you just need to copy the prompt. You can just do it. Just copy and paste it here and just click on enter. So it will ask for sign in. Of course, you can use Google or GitHub, or simply you can use email and password also. Okay, so I'm using Google. Okay, so I'm logging to my Sun Solutions account. I have to just authorize for the stack this. Okay, so bolt.new is a stack this website. Okay, so that's why it is asking for authorization of stack this. Don't worry, like why it is asking for stack this. It is bolt.new, so don't worry about that. Okay, okay, so we gave a prompt and you can see that it is thinking. So one more thing, it is completely free to look. Okay, I'm not using any paid subscription and all. It is completely free. They'll give you some tokens per day. So with that, you can generate at least one website per day. Okay. So you can see that no, it just started thinking. Thought for 4 seconds. You can see that, and it just gives some text like based on your requirements. I like creating stunning websites with including features of section skills and all. Okay. So it will take some time. That depends on your internet connection to generate the files. So you can just click on code here. So you can just click on code here, and you can see how fast it is writing the code. So if a normal person is doing this, no, he will take it will take some days, or at least it will take an hours, right? But with this simply you can generate a website, and you don't need to spend the thousands of rupees to hire people for doing this. You can just do it even without any coding knowledge and without any technical knowledge. You can just do it with the is okay. So very simple. In just less than 5 minutes. That depends on internet connection. Okay. Don't ask me why it is taking more than 5 minutes for me. Huh? Don't ask me like that. Okay. That's just depends on your internet connection. Okay, so you can see that, see, create initial files and all. No, I gave a prompt to generate a website with React. So that's why it is generating a project in React. I mean, it is generating the entire website in React. You can use Angular, or you can use PHP, or you can use just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No, you can just do that. Okay, it is not only for generating React websites that you are comfortable. You can generate a new website using Angular, React, PHP, whatever it is. Okay. So just feel free to include that in prompt. So in my prompt, by default, ChatGPT included, say, React.js, something like that, right? So that's why maybe it is React, generating in React this. Even if you don't mention anything, it will by default generate a project in React. So make sure that you, if you need something like Angular or PHP, make sure that you input that in prompt. Okay, so it will definitely generate that websites also, and it will take some time for generating the files and all, right? But pretty much less time when compared to the humans writing code. You can see the speed that it is writing code. You can just click on code and you can see it. See how much fast it is writing the code. Okay, so it will generate all files. Okay, so I'll just simply fast forward it. Okay, so you can see that it is done. It is like I have created a stunning fully responsive portfolio website that showcase all features. Okay, whatever you don't need to read, you can just click here preview. Okay, you can just click on preview and see. Wow, see how much good the website is looking. Let me open in a new tab. You can, like, it is just here. You can just click on open preview in separate tab. Just click on that, and it will ask for connect to project. Just do it. Okay, just do it, and tada! Your website is here. It's loading. Yes, done. See the website now. How good it is looking. You can just scroll and see the animations. All the things. You can just scroll. See skills and expertise. Everything is animating. Features, projects, or whatever the projects you are done. It's even if you hover on that, it is animating. And these are, you can just edit it. Whatever the technology is, you can just edit it. And certifications and credentials. See, so the animations it added. And achievements, wow, see the achievements tab. Whatever achievements, you can just include it, like, a timeline, vertical timeline it is giving, and your analytics. So if let's work together, you can just know that form and all. See the how much good looking website we created in just 5 minutes. So here you can just you can change the portfolio to some your image or something, and here you can just edit it actually. Okay, but how can we edit it? Just go here, and from here, so this is standing responsive portfolio. So this is by default project name it got created. That is okay. Just click here, and you can just export and download. That's it. See, your project zip file will get downloaded. All of these files will get downloaded here. You can just click on it, and then I'm just trying to show you what files will be there. See, in source, as it is like a React project. Okay, so everything, every code will be there. You can just, with a basic knowledge of React, you can just make the changes, and you can deploy it either in Netlify or Vercel. So you can have also deploy option here. Just click on that. So just click on deploy, and you can see that there is like application is building. So if you have a basic knowledge on website, React or Angular, so you'll know what is building, application building and all. So you have successfully been deployed. You can view it at some random URL give. So just click on that. That's it. Your application is deployed. So you don't need to worry about deployment also. Your application is deployed. You can just to transfer your project, just click this app.netlify.com/claim. If you just click on this link and create your Netlify account, done. That same website will come to your Netlify. So it is directly hosted. You don't need to worry about it actually. You don't need to worry about deployment also. It is directly hosted to Netlify. Okay. So you can just, if you want to make some changes, you can just, I shown you can download the project and do some changes and deploy it back. Okay. So this is how you can create a website, stunning website in less than 5 minutes actually. Like only less than 5 minutes. So you don't need to spend hours writing code and thousands of rupees and hiring someone for developing a website and all. No, you don't need to do it all. Okay. So I hope these videos will be very useful to you. And if you feel useful, just please share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. This is Narendra signing off. Bye bye.